Big Wayne,
Yeah.
state your name for the record.
My name Big Wayne, you know, just call me name.
Okay. State your real name for the record, please.
Now Big Wayne, oh my favorite I use if it no real. What did I idiot, ya man?
Okay. Big Wayne, on the night of September 18th, where were you?
What you mean when me did that? Me did the rule with the general.
Whatever.
Tell me. Did you at any
yeah.
time?
Excuse me?
Hold on, darling, hold on. Let me handle this. Hold on. I know.
Oh no, girl. The whole of now wicked. I saw no go on when you no can't use people. You no can't take daddy for idiot.
Did you know, Mr. Big Wayne, that as you speak, you can be cited for misogyny?
How name Mr. Johnny? Me no know him.
So far, you have proven to me that my stress radar is in perfect working condition as I am picking up stress of epidemic proportions right now. And it is very obvious that your cognitive neurological brain function seem to be impaired.
Me lost. How me get back to the intersection? First left, then right, then what?
Okay, Wayne. Tell the court, because I want to know, I'm very curious. You and Softy on this very night was outside the bedroom and you heard my client's screams and ignored it completely?
So me for hear girl scream in a bedroom and go kick off door. When girl scream in a bedroom, I fuck you idiot. Man.
Okay. Let me ask you, because you stated previously or insinuated that my client is some kind of gold digger.
Prostitute.
Okay. Fair enough. Wayne, how would you describe your relationship to Bounty?
What kind of relationship you come talk about me and daddy?
It's not that.
Man. You Mr. Big Word. You know say you're a batty boy.
You know that if it were not for the spirit that directs my path, the very same spirit, I might add,